Hello friend, welcome to CAD CAM Research Center. Today I will draw all part of flange coupling and its assembly. If you want some more update, then please subscribe my channel and press bell notification for further updates. So let's start. First you have to select sketch and you have to select plane. So I have select right plane and then sketch. Okay, you have to choose center line, infinite length, vertical as well as horizontal. After that you have to select a circle and draw a circle from center point. Again, okay, give dimension 300 mm. Hmm, 75 mm. You can give 200. Okay, it's fine. And draw again a PCD of 200. You can take 250 also and choose for construction. Then okay, give dimension 250. Okay, then exit. After that you can extrude it. By using mid plane, and you can give thickness of 20 mm. Okay, that's fine. You can check. Okay, you have to select a plane and choose a sketch. After that you have to select a circle and give its dimension to 125. Choose circle, this circle, and convert in and then project it. Okay, exit, choose sketch, then extrude it. You can extrude in both side, but now you can choose blind in this way and give its thickness 80. You can give 100 also, then okay. Flange is ready, but bolt hole is not available in this flange, so you can choose sketch and provide a circle, yeah, provide a hole for bolt and give its dimension 10. No, It's a 300 dia flange, so bolt size will be above 25. Okay, yeah, you can choose 20 also, so we can take 20 and choose this sketch and pattern in a circular way. Exit. You can choose this sketch and pattern it. Oh, sorry, linear circular pattern. Or no, you can choose 8 in equal distance, 360 equal spacing. Okay, exit sketch, extruded cut. It will take automatically. If it will not take automatically, you can choose extruded cut. Okay, first part is ready, but some more. Okay, choose sketch. Some more modification is needed. You can do in another way also. Choose different plane. Hmm, top, front. You can choose front plane and sketch. Choose a rectangle, center rectangle. No, corner rectangle. Choose a corner rectangle. You can zoom it. You can choose a corner rectangle. Before you will draw, convert it in this form and press Ctrl Z and choose again corner rectangle. Zoom it. Okay, that's fine. Draw mid. Okay, give its dimension 1112 1112.5 divided by 2. Okay, that's fine na? Okay, press OK and exit. Choose extruded cut. First you have to choose extruded cut. Mid plane, 10. No, you can choose 20 for proper keyway slotting. Okay, it's looking nice. You can apply a material also by using appearance, material, iron, aluminium, copper, titanium. I am using titanium. Apply, then close it. It looks nice. Plain view. Okay, you can save it. Control S. You can save in another place.